In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can keyword research for YouTube using keywordtool.io. It's a very popular website you can use for free right now, but it's also available paid plan. But at first, I recommend you for use free. Then, if you are having a good understanding this tool, with this tool then you are going to pay it. So first of all, using free. So if I going similar web, you can see its monthly visit and monthly user 1.1 millions of people, and most of the people coming from USA, India, Brazil, Pakistan, Indonesia and more country. It's a very good point. So just here are type of what type of keyword you want to research right now. Example of I am going to research Gemini. Then if you want to select a specific country, just type of the country name of example of India. Just click on India, but I am not interested in this point. Just select your language. If you have a specific language, just select this one. Here is a lots of language are supported here, so I'm not interested. Just click on search button. When you click on search button, you can see there's a loading now. Wow, this keyword search volume are 13 millions. This is 362% trends. This is very good point, and average competition 6. This is very low. This is a plus point for you. So scroll down, just if you want to use this one, just click on search volume. You can see just find out your keyword right now. Select this keyword Gemini Google Gemini horoscope today. So example of this is my keyword Gemini horoscope today. This search volume are 2,97,000 and trends 22% and average CPC 0.54 US dollar. Then if I select this one, Google Gemini AI, this is trending topic. If you are select this keyword, then you are ranking on higher, then you will be viral your video. This is also good topic, trends and 5 lakh plus Gemini advances. So this is a method you can research keyword for your YouTube channel. And if you going to questions, then you can see this is again Gemini and horoscope. This is a very good topic. Do Geminis and horoscope get alone? What Geminis are like? So here is a lots of keyword you can use. So keep in mind, this is a paid version. If we use free, if you don't get lots of data, so this is this link I will attach in description below. When you click, you are redirect to this website, then easy for access. So if you want to more video to type of, please comment below. I will try to create a video for you. If you have found this video for helpful, make sure you have subscribed this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.